Slide down. I want a better angle. Good one. The hell with this.
State of Washington, v. Brian Green, cause number 4DC 003568, clear criminal minor on behalf of the state. Defendant is present out of custody and not represented by counsel. I understand the defendant wishes to proceed pro se, given the waiver of right to attorney as well as someone named Bishop Morning as we sign those passing forward to the court. This matter is before the court today for purposes of arraignment and one count of obstructing a law enforcement officer. I will shortly hand forward the state commitment for jury trial.
Are you Brian Todd Green? Used to receive now 351 Bishop Road, Alaska. Good. You're charged with obstructing a law enforcement officer. That is alleged to have occurred on or about November 26th of 2014 in Pierce County, Washington. Do you understand what you're being charged with?
No, I don't. I don't understand the nature and cause whatsoever on this.
Have you received a copy of the complaint?
Yes, I have, and it's total fabrication and does not comply with the law.
And I'm not asking whether or not you agree with it, but do you understand what you're being accused of?
No, it's not. He's not. I've not been provided the insurance copy. What's that?
Do you need me to read the complaint to you?
Well, obviously it shows right here that I'm obstructing a law enforcement officer. However, it does not show that I was obstructing anything. He was not engaged in any sort of official powers or duties at the time. So I demand this be dismissed, or I ask that this be dismissed, Your Honor.
Noted denied at this time. Do you need me to read the complaint to you?
No, I do have a couple of questions for Your Honor.
Well, I can't give you any legal advice.
I'm not asking for legal advice. I simply would like to know legal intent. Now, let's see. Now, as I understand it, I'm still, the law says I'm innocent until proven guilty still, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, well then I'd like to plead innocent.
You understand that if you are convicted of this crime, the maximum penalty is 364 days in jail, $5,000 fine.
I still have not been provided nature and cause, Your Honor. And I also would like to know...
I'm asking you, do you understand the penalty?
I don't understand the nature and cause, so I don't understand why I could be penalized in any way. That has
That's
been
not what
provided.
I'm asking you. Answer the question that I'm asking. If you are convicted, that's a penalty you're facing. Do you understand that?
I still don't understand the nature and cause, Your Honor.
Okay.
I have
You
not...
told me you don't need me to read the complaint to you?
I have read the complaint, and I have found nothing that applies.
Now, was Mr. Green provided a copy of the public cause statement as well?
I believe so, Your Honor.
You received a copy of the public cause statement?
Actually, Your Honor, I have a question here.
Answer my question.
I don't understand.
And don't interrupt me.
Okay.
Answer my question. Did you receive a copy of the
I
public cause
guess,
statement?
yes, I did.
Right, well, you plead not guilty.
Objection, Your Honor. You are acting as an attorney. That's not your job here. That's my job or my attorney's job to enter a plea. So I object, and I motion that be removed.
Noted.
I
I'm
also
really
like-
talking about semantics. I'm just noting your plea is not guilty. Probable cause is established for the charge of obstructing law enforcement officer. What is the state's recommendation?
Your Honor, it doesn't have any prior criminal history, no warrant history. I haven't exhibited anything that would make the state believe he is a flight risk. The defendant have no objection to a PR release with standard conditions. The defendant have no hostile contact with law enforcement.
Okay, Mr. Green?
I would like to have a probable cause hearing. I'd like to have a motion for a probable cause hearing.
Okay, you've been provided a copy of the probable
Not
cause
probable cause
statement?
hearing, I'm sorry. That was a motion hearing. I would like to ask for a motion hearing, not probable cause. My mistake. little nervous.
So that's fine. Well, at this stage, we don't set it for a separate motion hearing. It'll be set for a pretrial. If you have filed, it does look like you have filed a written motion. So it'll be up to the court at that time if they feel that a separate motion hearing is necessary. All right, and you posted $500 bond. Do you have any requests on that?
No, I just like my money back.
I don't see any failure to appear history, so I'll grant your motion and refund the bond that's been posted. You'll be released on your own recognizance at this time on condition that you have law-abiding behavior, no similar incidents. Make sure you appear for all court hearings and let us know right away if you have any changes in mailing address or contact information. And you understand that you do have the right to be represented by an attorney, and one can be appointed to represent you without cost if you qualify for invitation by the public defender. And you don't want to apply for the public defender at this point?
Oh, no, I didn't even have time to get my case together. It was 3 days, and it was over a holiday weekend, so yes, I need to.
Certainly, you can always choose to represent yourself, or hire an attorney, or apply for the public defender, but for today, you're choosing to represent yourself, is that correct?
I am presenting my own case. I'm not representing myself would be an oxymoron.
And nobody made any threats or promises to get you to do that?
To what? To get to what? Your
To not have an attorney with you here today? And you understand, I already talked about the penalty. So we'll just get you a copy of your waiver of right to an attorney. Again, that only applies for today. Certainly, you can continue to choose to represent yourself if you want to, or you can hire an attorney, apply to the public defender, the public court when you choose to, if you want to apply.
May I read my affidavit into the record, Your Honor?
Mr. Green, a copy of it.
So I can be heard?
No. It's on file with the court. I'll note your objection. All right, and Mr. Green will then provide a copy of the rights statement, and he's going to get your warnings, waiver of right to an attorney, and we'll get you your return court date. That's called your pretrial. That'll be January 8th. Correct. January 8th, 2015, 8:45 a.m. in courtroom 607 on the 6th floor of this building. That's going to be written on the order that you'll receive a copy of today. You won't receive any reminders about that court date. Since we're giving you notice today, you won't get anything in the mail like that. And so make sure you're there, otherwise the form will issue for your arrest. All right. Did you get your copy of the court order?
Yes, it is.
Then you're all set.